Well, it got me in a nice piece of luggage today. I'm going to get it opened up and we're going to check it out. Oh, wow. This is nice looking. And it does have wheels that go on the bottom of it right here. I guess that's what's in this box right here. Hey, like I said, it has a little box here. We'll see if this is the casters for it. Five of them. Something I just discovered that's really neat is has little tabs right here. You can push that and it will release the casters, so you don't have to leave these on there. They are removable. When you get ready to put these in, this stem right here is flat on one side and the hole is flat, so you have to get it lined up and it will just go in like that. Then pull the tab back and drop that on down in there, slide it back, and it is locked into place. When you get ready to take it out, just push that up, release it like that. Very nice. I like that. So you can have it with or without the casters. I guess they just send you an extra caster in case one of them breaks. So that's a good thing. And this is expandable, so we'll be able to raise it up because it does have a carrying strap. Does have the extending handle, so be able to extend that out. The straps right here have a quick release on them. You just squeeze it right there, and it will release the belt buckle there. Raise this up. Grab that center and raise it on up. Really nice interior in here. Plenty of room. Like I said, it is expandable, so you can fill that on up. It is soft-sided, so it will not support itself standing up, but it will support as you fill it up. It has another zipper right here that you can unzip around like this. And that will allow you to expand it on up even higher. Like that. Isn't that cool? Give you that extra few inches that sometimes we need when we're packing our suitcase. One of the other good things is it is waterproof, so if it gets splashed on, you don't have to worry about it soaking through. It will just run right off and dry off, and you'll never know it. It's got more pockets right here, but I'm going to get it loaded up a little bit so we can expand it so you'll be able to see it a little better. That's nice looking, y'all. It really is. Okay, I'm going to get it loaded up with some clothes and get it filled on up so we'll be able to get this expanded out and you can see it better. I'll be right back. Okay, I have got the bottom filled up more or less. Has pockets right here. Put stuff in right there. Has a bigger pocket right here. Put shoes or whatever inside there. Has a Velcroed pocket right here. A lot of storage. Has a mesh pocket right here. You could have stuff in there if you needed to see what was in there. You've got it right there. And like I'd said before, it has 3 different sections right here to expand it on up. And a section right here that will raise that on up. And then another section, if you need more room, you can open that one up. And then it's going to expand on up to there. That is a lot of clothes. Easy carrying right here. You needed to carry it like that. And it also has a shoulder strap. You can hook that strap on right over here on the side. Like this. Be able to throw that up on your shoulder like that right there and carry it. Really, really nice luggage. Plus it has the wheels. We've already looked at those. and the handle that you can pull out and slide it around wherever you need it. Right here on top, it has a button. You can push that in and it'll extend on up. So when you are ready to go, you can pull that wherever you need to pull it, or you can carry it. It's whatever you need. And it does have the shoulder strap that you can carry it on your shoulder. Like so. And you're ready to go. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.